question I get often is, why would I consider outsourcing IT when I have a robust internal IT team? And there's a couple of answers there, and I'll give you two of them. One answer is, a lot of times your internal team is focused on too many things, and a lot of those are not driving enterprise value. A lot of times they spend their time and attention focused on infrastructure support, infrastructure design, and infrastructure management, and what gets left behind is really the application support and the user support. And so if you really want to see them go upscale with their enterprise value and support your users world-class and support your applications in a way that no outsourced provider can probably do, you might consider outsourcing the infrastructure management pieces to free up your internal talent to focus on those high-value activities. The second reason is simply bench strength. You're never at a greater risk than you are at a time of change, whether that's a change of infrastructure, a change of applications, or a change of personnel. That's when you're the most vulnerable, that's when you're the weakest. And so if you have a team of 2 or 3 or 10 people, and one of those people decides to leave the organization, what walks out the door oftentimes is a lot of knowledge, a lot of institutional knowledge, and you've got a pretty big gap to fill there. But if you're outsourcing that to a decent-sized managed service provider, you're not going to feel or know the impact of a single user leaving because they have greater bench strength than you can possibly have.